children videos A, B, C. The busy animals and friends.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Let's learn colors with Emma. Primary colors.
Red, blue, yellow,
Secondary colors.
green, orange, purple, don't forget to like and subscribe.